Details about the latest SUVs released by various companies in the year 2025 can be interesting for car enthusiasts. Here are the 8 most attractive details coming in 2025 that will take your driving experience to a new level. Mazda CX-90. Mazda CX-90 is a modern midsize SUV, which is gaining popularity due to its unique design and powerful performance. The vehicle is the latest replacement for the Mazda CX-90 and competes with luxury brands like BMW and Land Rover, while being available at a reasonable price. The most unique aspect of this vehicle is its new 3.3-liter turbocharged engine, which is a first for a Mazda vehicle. This engine is accompanied by a 48-volt hybrid system, which is a unique technological capability. The system delivers 280 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque in the regular model, while the power increases to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque in S models, providing a superior driving experience. The Mazda CX-90 has an 8-speed automatic transmission, which comes with all-wheel drive on all models. The driving of the vehicle is smooth and sporty, and its performance is excellent compared to other SUVs. The suspension is somewhat stiff, reflecting the sporty nature of the vehicle. Another great feature of this vehicle is its speed. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, which is one of the best functions in this class of vehicles. Mazda CX-90's fuel efficiency is also worth considering. The vehicle averages an excellent 24 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an outstanding choice in terms of fuel economy as well. Its interior features high-quality materials, including unique inserts that can be seen on the car's dash and doors. The Mazda CX-90 offers an excellent experience to its passengers and driver, making it a leader in the SUV market. Toyota Crown Signia. The Toyota Crown Signia 2025 is a great addition to Toyota's SUV lineup, featuring as a Turo crossover. This vehicle is replacing the Toyota Venza and is creating a distinct identity with its unique design and features. The highlight of the Crown Signia is its luxurious interior, which uses high-quality materials that give the interior a distinct and upscale look. At the heart of the Crown Signia is a 243-horsepower hybrid engine, which delivers outstanding performance. This engine propels the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds, best in its class. A hybrid engine is not only powerful, but also an eco-friendly and economical choice in terms of fuel efficiency. The interior of the vehicle is very well designed to provide comfort to the driver and passengers. The Crown Signia utilizes a comfortable design as well as high quality, giving it a comfortable ambience. With advanced technical features, this vehicle is a great source of convenience and entertainment for the driver and passengers. The Crown Signia includes a 12.3-inch infotainment system, which provides the driver with all the information and entertainment. This system is not only modern but also easy to use. It also includes a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, which provides important information to the driver. With all these features, the Toyota Crown Signia 2025 is an SUV that combines the latest luxury and performance to deliver a great driving experience. Honda Pilot. Honda has made significant changes to its Pilot for 2025, among which the most special is the addition of the Black Edition trim. This new version includes a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a whopping 285 horsepower. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, which provides the vehicle with excellent performance and a smooth driving experience. This SUV is not only powerful, but accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds, which is very impressive considering its size and weight. The interior of the Honda Pilot is also of special interest in the new model. The best materials are used in its cabin, which makes the car more comfortable and luxurious. The Black Edition trim adds advanced materials and premium design, which provide a unique look to the interior of the vehicle. This trim has a prominent presence of black color, which gives the car a stunning and attractive look. In terms of technology, Honda Pilot 2025 has added the latest functions that provide convenience to the driver and passengers. A 7-inch infotainment screen provides the driver with easy access to essential information and entertainment, along with a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, which is helpful in keeping an eye on the condition and speed of the vehicle. The Black Edition trim of the Honda Pilot has added advanced features, which makes the car more prominent. It includes 20-inch blacked-out wheels and interior trim. Apart from this, the black leather seats and red stitching give the car a different effect. All these features together make the Honda Pilot 2025 such an SUV, which is distinguished in its performance and modernity. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer 2025 is a modern and premium SUV that stands out with its unique design and powerful engine. This model includes for base active line and platinum versions, which come with various features and options to meet the needs of every type of buyer. The front of the car has received significant changes, including a new attractive grille, modern headlights, and lower air flash, which give the car an aggressively impressive look. These changes improve the exterior design of the vehicle as well as the aerodynamics, which improves the performance of the vehicle. All models of the Ford Explorer 2025 are powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers 300 horsepower. This engine is equipped with advanced technology that provides excellent performance and fuel economy in both versions of the same engine, which is smooth and platinum, and Streetline also includes the same engine, which offers a smooth and powerful driving experience. However, if you want a more powerful engine, then the ST trim may be the best choice to upgrade. This model is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that provides a maximum power of 400 horsepower. This engine gives the Ford Explorer not only high speed, but excellent towing capacity, ideal for long journeys or transporting heavy goods. Significant changes have been made in the interior of Ford Explorer 2025. Soft touch materials make the cabin more comfortable and luxurious, while the new color schemes have given it beauty and innovation. Apart from this, the selection of new schemes has also been done in a very beautiful way, which provides a distinct and modern look to the interior of the vehicle. The use of advanced technology inside the Ford Explorer has made it stand out even more. The vehicle features Ford's new software system, Digital Experience, which provides access to various apps and services. The system provides the driver and passenger with various entertainment activities, internet browsing, and games. Overall, the Ford Explorer 2025 can be a great choice due to its powerful and comfortable SUV and modern features. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento 2025 is a premium SUV that has gotten even better with new updates to the hybrid and plug-in hybrid models. The engine of this vehicle is available with 2 different options, which further increase its performance and fuel efficiency. It has a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that produces 191 horsepower. This engine is particularly suitable for fuel saving and city driving. On the other hand, there is a 281 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which is suitable for a fast and powerful driving experience, which makes this car ideal for both long journeys and highways. The interior of the Kia Sorento uses high-quality materials with a modern and comfortable design that is suitable for family use. It has spacious cabins and modern facilities, which makes every journey comfortable for passengers. The atmosphere inside the car is very pleasant, in which the use of soft and durable materials on the seats ensures the comfort of the passengers during the long journey. This car also has modern technology features that make the driving experience more calm and safe. The 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen controls the various options of the car easily. This system is integrated with advanced technology through which the driver and passengers can access navigation, music, and other entertainment facilities. On the other hand, there is also a 12.3-inch reconfigurable gauge display, which provides the necessary information to the driver. This display can be customized according to the driver's choice. This makes the driving experience more comfortable and safe. Through this display, the speed of the vehicle, fuel level, and other important information can be seen easily. The latest updates included in the Kia Sorento 2025 have made this vehicle more modern and attractive. With its modern engine, high-quality interior, and advanced technical features, this SUV is an excellent choice that meets the needs of a variety of drivers. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. The Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid 2025 looks prominent with its new and modern design. The vehicle has a combination of a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine and an electric motor that provides a total of 232 horsepower. This hybrid system ensures efficient as well as fuel-saving and environment-friendly driving experience. The turbocharged design of the engine provides quick response and power, while the electric motor provides additional power and improved efficiency, due to which this vehicle is ideal for both city and highway driving. The interior of the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid immediately grabs attention thanks to its modern and comfortable features. The cabin of the vehicle is inspired by the design of Land Rover, in which high-quality materials and excellent craftsmanship have been used. The interior is spacious and comfortable, which provides comfort to passengers even during long journeys. Softness and comfort have been taken into consideration in the construction of the seats, while the spaciousness of the cabin makes the journey more pleasant. Advanced technology features make the Santa Fe Hybrid stand out. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is installed in the vehicle, which provides the driver with various vehicle information, such as speed, fuel level, and battery status, at a glance. The gauge cluster is fully digital and can be customized as per the driver's needs, which makes the driving experience easier and safer. Modernity has also been taken care of in the entertainment system. The vehicle includes a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which comes with ease of use and fast responsiveness. This system has the ability to control various apps and features, like music and connectivity options, which provide entertainment and information to passengers while driving. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid 2025 is such a vehicle due to its advanced technology and excellent performance and superior design, which meets the needs of all types of drivers. Its advanced features and environmentally friendly hybrid systems make it a distinguished choice. Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas 2025 is a modern and high-performance SUV. This vehicle includes a powerful turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 269 horsepower, which provides a balanced and dynamic driving experience. This engine not only improves the speed and responsiveness of the vehicle, it is also helpful in saving fuel, which makes it a sustainable and effective choice. These features of the Atlas make it suitable for both daily city driving and long highway journeys. The Volkswagen Atlas engine delivers smoothness with its power, and this vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds. Despite the high-speed performance, the driving experience of the vehicle remains balanced and controlled, which highlights the engineering skills of Atlas. The turbocharged quality of the engine gives extra torque while driving with power that allows the car to climb hills with ease. The interior of the Atlas has been specially designed with family use in mind. New and better materials have been used in the cabin of the vehicle, which makes its overall appearance very attractive and strong. The space inside the cabin has been optimally utilized, which provides comfort to the family members. Along with comfort in designing the seats, their composition and materials have also been selected for comfort during long journeys. The improvements that have been made in the interior design of Volkswagen Atlas 2025 are visually impressive, and there are practical qualities in them as well. This vehicle has various connectivity and infotainment options with modern technology that makes the journey comfortable and enjoyable. The use of soft-touch materials and a new color scheme at the dashboard of the Atlas gives the interior environment of the vehicle a modern and attractive look. The structure and design of the Atlas is arranged in such a way that it proves to be the best for family travel. Its spacious cabin also has storage space. This vehicle is very suitable for long journeys. Overall, the Volkswagen Atlas 2025 is an SUV that excels in performance and power, as well as its design and interior space that add to its popularity. Chevrolet Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer 2025 has been introduced in the market as a modern and excellent SUV with its high performance and attractive design. There are two engine options in this vehicle, which have been introduced to meet the needs of different buyers. The first engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with 228 horsepower, which is a reasonable and fuel-efficient option. This engine provides high performance and smooth experience, especially for traveling within the city. The second engine is a 308 horsepower 36-liter V6 that is more durable and suitable for performance-oriented driving. This engine provides excellent performance at high speeds and on steep roads due to its high horsepower. The interior design of the Chevrolet Blazer 2025 focuses on modern technology and comfort. The design of the cabin is based on soft-touch materials, which are not only beautiful to look at but also to touch. The two-color scheme of the interior gives the car a distinct and modern look, which gives the Blazer's cabin a modern and outstanding quality feel. The interior space is arranged in such a way that there is comfort and relaxation during the long journey. Modern features have been added to the interior design of the Blazer. It has a 10.2-inch touchscreen for vehicle control and infotainment system. The size of this screen is designed in such a way that important information can be easily provided to the driver and passengers. This vehicle also has wireless charging facility, which keeps the driver free from the worrying of charging electronic devices. All the seats are comfortable and spacious in the interior space of the Chevrolet Blazer 2025, which is suitable for a family trip. The choice of interior materials and design of the vehicle has been kept in mind, as well as beauty, aesthetics, and durability. This SUV is a choice that is distinguished not only by its powerful driving qualities, but also by its interior design.